you guys coming to St. Vincent. Yeah boy, yes guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to Vinci Vibe Plus. Alright guys, well now we are in the streets of Kingston. I have two guests behind of me. They're looking for a selfie stick and they also want to visit Pirates of the Caribbean. That's down in my village of course, in Barrouallie, 12 miles from here. You drop your rag. Miss, you drop your rag. Yeah, so I'm gonna show them where they can get a selfie stick. If they don't get any, then right, so we're gonna check one place here and then check somewhere else. So alright guys, we decided that we're gonna take my taxi and we are going down to Pirates of the Caribbean, 12 miles away from here. Alright, so we're going to the van right now. We're going to the van now, so catch us on the road. Boom! See, sometimes how you plan your day, the day works out another how than how you plan it.
Yeah man, yeah.
Alright guys, so this is Suki, this is Mike. I'm gonna take them to Pirates of the Caribbean.
We're the best, with the best guy, Dwight.
Yeah, we're gonna take a ride guys. I hope they enjoy the ride. Now it should be a slow period, there shouldn't be much traffic and it should be good. Are you guys ready to go?
Yes!
Alright. Yeah guys, we're in the streets of Kingstown. Yeah. Alright, the van is parked just down here, so guys, see you on the road guys. Yo! So guys, we made it to Chauncey. Now we are in Chauncey. Guys, this is called Chauncey. Yeah, this is called Chauncey. Yeah. It's called Chauncey. After Chauncey, we have Rillan, and then Pembroke, then Bokoma. We're gonna be in our destination very, very soon. It's gonna be very soon. Hope you enjoy the ride with us guys. Yeah, it's gonna be a beautiful one. So we are in Rillan, called Rillan Hill.
Guyana, huh?
Yeah. So guys, right now we are taking a look out down on Sandal Resort. Down here in Bokoma. It's almost finished now. They are going to this place. Yeah, guys, so we're just making a lookout. Suki is ready to take her 2025 vacation here in Sanders. She and Mike.
When I'm gonna be a rich.
When you're rich?
Yes.
You would invite us, Dwight.
Ah, no problem, no problem, no problem, no problem.
Go with the best man on the island.
Yeah,
Dwight.
I'm the host, so I can invite you anywhere. It's my island, so I show you wrong. No
Of
problem with
course.
that. All right, guys, we're gonna move on now. We're almost there. We have one more village, and then we'll be at our destination. All right, so stay tuned. Guys, now we are in Barrouallie. Guys, you have reached my hometown.
Yes.
Baga. It's Baga here.
Baga.
So now we're looking for the pink house, but there is many pink houses.
What pink house are you looking for?
You know, a pink house with a green top. I think it's his mama who chose the color.
Exactly. All right, guys. So we are approaching Curtnews Hill. This is Curtnews Hill, and that's background glass up there. You will see it. Yeah, that's background glass. So Suki can do the vlogging for me now.
Exactly. I'm helping you guys. So yeah, I'm vlogging for Dwight. We need some extra hand.
Now we are in our village. That's my fishing spot out there. My village, this is the road to go up to my house.
Say hello to the camera, Dwight.
Hello, guys.
Look at the beautiful village out there. Look at the colors. Many, many, many beautiful houses with many colors.
Many. You even have two tourists walking through the villages. You see them? They're on foot through the villages.
Get some clothes. Look how beautiful is this town.
Yeah. So this is my little town. And this is our playing field where you can come and play a football, play a cricket, or whatever you choose to do. That's it right there. That's my hometown, guys. See it there? I do hunting iguanas up in the bushes up there. I have everything here, guys. Everything. And now we are approaching Pirates of the Caribbean.
Oh yeah.
That's why these guys want to see.
So anyone who's coming to St. Vincent and Grenadines, please look for Dwight. He's
Of
the
course.
man of the island.
I can show you everywhere, guys. Everywhere.
The volcano, everything.
Everything. Suki can tell you that.
Yes,
Okay,
I
we
will.
gotta make a right turn here.
That's a left turn.
Oh yeah.
It's a left, my bad. You got me there.
You know me and you are the same. I always mix the left and right. But doesn't matter because all the roads leads to
Same
Oh.
place. Same place.
St. Vincent.
Yeah. I'm doing video and they're taking picture, guys.
He's the YouTube, I'm the TikTok, he's the Instagrammer.
Oh.
So we're
Got some crafts. What are you gonna do?
I think
you're gonna tell us what to do, man.
It's not much here to do. If you don't want to
Yeah,
eat
yeah,
or
we'll-
check out some crafts.
No, we'll just
Yeah, we'll just walk around. So I can show you guys the place. All right, guys, we have arrived. Yeah, we have arrived here in Barrouallie, Pirates of the Caribbean, location to be exact. Wow, look at that. Look at that, guys. The water is crystal clear. Look at that. After all those rough seas, after all the rough seas that we had the other day, I'm very, very surprised the water is this clean. Now I feel like going spearfishing, trust me. Remember, if you're coming to Vinci anytime you need a taxi, hit your boy up. I can take you wherever you want to go. Okay? So I have my 2 guests. This is an unplanned tour, guys. I'm telling you, it's unplanned. I just went to do a couple of videos in Kingstown. I met these guys. They wanted a selfie stick. From getting a selfie stick, then here we are at Pirates of the Caribbean. Right?
If they want to, that's their business.
Need to wash them, guys. Need to wash them. Very dirty.
Look at the love, man. Look at the van. It's for Valentine's.
Valentine's.
Yeah, all inside. Look on the inside. All to the back.
Guys, check this out. It's Valentine's.
At the back.
Oh, yeah.
Wow.
Everything you need.
Everything you need to make love inside this van.
Everything?
To make love inside this van.
There's drinks.
Drinks, there is love, there is roses. It's only miss 2 people making love. That's it.
The pal is super good boy. And eating blackfish.
Alright, guys,
You want
what's.
a beer?
I don't drink beer. Guys, we have some local crafts here that you can check out. Yeah, nutmeg.
Velvet seed, velvet, these are the velvet, they're the blackfish teeth,
Blackfish teeth.
some jack sparrow necklace and bracelet, they have the nutmegs, cocoa beads, feed beads, they have the shells.
What's the price? What's the price they're going for?
Well, it depends, they have some for $10 the bracelet are 10, these are 10 and stuff. $5, $5. These are 10 with the names, and these are $5.
Alright, guys, so this is the blackfish teeth. For those of you guys who had blackfish before, this is the teeth from the blackfish that they make a necklace with. Alright, guys, we're gonna go inside. This is the restaurant where you can come and get some food, get some a malt or a beer or whatever you're drinking. You can come right here and get it. Now I need to locate my people. I need to see where they're at. I have lost them. I have lost them. Oh, I see them. Look at the big pirate. Look at where Suki's went. That piece of rock out there, it's called Chowder's Foot. That's a famous piece of rock. That is inside of the Pirates of the Caribbean movie. Yeah. Yep. That's a very famous piece of rock. Yeah, always.
Barracuda.
Yeah. Yeah. I swim from here. I go all the way down. And
Let's
then
go
back
for a
again.
swim.
Now?
Yeah.
I don't think.
Had a picture right there. Oh, let's go for a swim.
Alright, guys, we're gonna check out inside, so stay tuned. Alright, guys, so we're taking a refreshment. Suki is drinking
Cheers,
a carb.
guys.
And we're just here hanging out close to the Black Sand Beach.
What is this beach called?
There's the bar. This is Barrouallie.
Wally.
Yeah, it's Barrouallie. It's a nice Black Sand Beach if you want to relax and unwind. There's the bar inside and the whole waterfront. Very nice place to hang out. Seen some dark clouds like that's really gonna take pictures. take two guys. They are going inside the coffin with a beer and a phone. I think when you get buried, you get buried without nothing. But she has a beer. You plan to drink it?
Yes,
When?
when I'm gonna be dead.
When you're ready.
Yes. Ready to go?
Alright. It's not a good idea to take beers when you die. Alright guys, so this video has come to an end. We have seen Pirates of the Caribbean. We have walked around, we have taken some pictures. Suki and Mike, they are ready to go. I'm taking this beauty again, guys. Look at that. All these are my spearfishing grounds. SVG, Barrouallie, Pirates of the Caribbean. Please visit when you come to St. Vincent. You will not regret it, guys. So now we're gonna hop in the van. I think we're gonna buy some food on the way by the road when we're heading up. So stay tuned for that. If not, I'll just end the video. Guys, we stopped at Layu. We're at Layu at the waterfront. You know this is the waterfront here. Suki is gonna be doing the honors in banging an almond.
Let's
Show
bang
them the
this.
Caribbean style.
1, 2, 3.
Ah, that's it. That's it. You gotta
Only one
smash
time.
It. Then open it now. Open it and take it out.
Doesn't open, man.
Ah, yeah, that's it.
Voilà, sur le côté.
It's on the inside. Oh no, this one is no good.
No good.
Try a different one. Try a different one.
Me, I just wanted to smash it.
My turn. My turn.
Yeah, there.
Got it?
Not yet.
Alright. Let's see what's on the inside. Let's see if this one is any good. Yeah, that one is good. But you smashed it too hard.
Yeah. Oh, I lost it. Ça vient de là les amandes. Now this one is a bit humid. No.
Ah.
Give me- I want to see a whole one.
Yeah, voilà.
Yeah.
Me, I'm gonna climb for a coconut.
Okay. I want to see that.
Okay. Where's the tree?
You find it.
This one.
You find it, then you can. That's an almond tree.
Ah,
That's where
almond.
this one comes from.
No good.
I'm gonna climb a coconut one.
You want to find a coconut?
Yeah, I'm just gonna
I'm
climb.
still GoPro. Alright, got one.
Smash that.
Nope, no good.
Now good. Get a
Because
good
you
one,
gotta
man.
climb to get one.
No.
Fresh.
He doesn't have to. Guys, he's trying to get a good one, but this breeze is refreshing, right? It's okay. The breeze is
Yes,
refreshing.
so refreshing. I
Yeah.
think I'm gonna go for a little swim. Huh?
Oh man, you're on your own. Is this one any good now?
Let's see. Essaye l'autre. I need another bank.
Yeah, I only need to bang one time, and then it's good. Look, but it's
Not good.
bad.
There you go.
Not bad. That one is good. Yeah, I have a good one. That's a good one. That's a good one. See it, guys? Yeah, that's a good one. Try it.
Tu veux?
Half. Suki, taste half.
No, me, I don't eat almond, but okay.
How does it taste?
No, this one was good.
Oh,
This one was
really?
good.
It tastes good.
Yeah, that's what I'm telling you.
Really good.
Want more?
Yeah.
You want more now?
Or she wants more.
We'll take a bag and bring it to the hotel and bam. That's my. T'as vu, c'est là-bas là.
Wow. It's there. Just gonna go there to take a picture.
All the way
Oh, she went there?
Yeah. Guys, Suki went to take a picture. We'll just wait for her. She's very photogenic, you know? Yeah. She always want to be taking pictures. As I said before, guys, this is Layu waterfront. And we're just here, just chilling. On our way up though, we are heading back to Kingston. We're just making a couple stops. But they wanted to see a natural black sand beach, and you know there's a lot of black sand beach here in St. Vincent and Grenadines. So this is one here. Check it out, upon some almonds.
You missed the chicken bangings behind you.
Alright, are we ready to roll again?
Yeah.
Yeah, man!
Alright. She said, yeah, man.
Yeah, man!
In the Caribbean style, yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
He said, yeah, man, guys. Alright, we're going back on the road. We are back in Kingston. Yeah, it was a wonderful trip. As I said, it was an unexpected one because that wasn't the plan for the day. The plan was to come in town and do like two separated videos. I got to do the videos, but where one of the videos took me was not planned. Alright, so we went backtrack. We went back 12 miles from Kingston, which is down Barrouallie in my village, to the scene of Pirates of the Caribbean. That's where Suki and Michael wanted to go. So I took them there, and now I'm back in Kingston. I'm here at the car wash. I'm gonna get my van washed and then get out of this place. So guys, if you do enjoy my videos coming all the way from St. Vincent, please like the video, please share the videos, and please comment also on the videos. Alright, I love to see every comment. I reply to every comment, so don't be ashamed, don't be afraid. Comment and subscribe to the channel. Alright, we are heading to almost 2,000 subscribers. Let's make it happen, guys. And from 2,000 we can go on 3,000, 4,000, 5,000, right up to 1,000,000, 1,010,000, 1,005,000. How much you want it, you know? So subscribe to the channel and let's make a bigger community. For all the new subscribers, welcome to the family, welcome to the Vinci Vibe family. Here, you know, we do everything here: spear fishing, hiking, catch and cook, everything we do here, guys. So why not subscribe and stay tuned for the rest. Alright, so see you in the next one. As I always say, until the next one finds us, how we find the next one. See you in Vinci Vibe Plus, and love God, love people, and stay tuned. And remember, I always bring you all the vibes from St. Vincent. So stay tuned. Peace out.